In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Exness account currency. If you've been looking to manage your account in a different currency, perhaps to align with your trading strategies or simply for convenience, then you're in the right place. We'll break down the process into easy-to-follow steps to ensure you can make this change smoothly and effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Exness personal area. This is the hub where you can manage all aspects of your trading experience, so having access here is essential. Once you're in, keep your login credentials handy for future access, as you'll likely be navigating back and forth through various settings. After logging in, look for the section labeled My Accounts or something similar. This is where all of your existing accounts are displayed, and it's also the starting point for creating new accounts. Navigating here is crucial because, rather than modifying the currency of an existing account, we'll be creating a new one. This approach ensures that all transactions and balances remain consistent and avoids any potential confusion in your financial records. So, let's move forward with creating a new trading account. Now, during the process of setting up your new account, you'll encounter an option labeled Account Currency, or sometimes Base Currency. This is your moment to choose the currency that best suits your needs. Whether it's USD, PHP, or another, select your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. Take a moment to consider your choice, keeping in mind any currency conversion fees or potential impacts on your trading strategy. Choosing the right currency at the outset can save you time and money down the line. With your preferred currency selected, continue to complete the account setup. You will usually need to specify the platform type you wish to use, whether it's MT4 or MT5, depending on your personal preferences and trading style. Setting the correct leverage is another important aspect as it defines your trading power. Be sure to choose a level that matches your risk appetite and trading goals. Lastly, don't forget to create a secure password. It's pivotal in ensuring the safety and security of your trading experience. This simple yet effective process will allow you to tailor your Exness trading experience to suit your currency needs, enhancing efficiency and potentially leading to more strategic trading decisions. So there you have it, a straightforward way to change your Exness account currency by creating an entirely new account with your preferred settings. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.